Really. Sorting it out. Common mistakes with the adverb really. Hello, English learners. Today, we are going to tackle a very common issue that can puzzle even advanced English speakers: the correct positioning of the adverb really in a sentence. Remember, placing an adverb correctly can really change the meaning of a sentence. Before we dive into the common errors, let's first understand what really is. Really is an adverb used to emphasize or intensify an adjective, adverb, or verb it modifies. It can mean very, truly, or actually. Consider these examples. 1. She is really talented. 2. He really runs fast. 3. We really appreciate your help. In each of these sentences, really adds intensity to the adjective, talented, the adverb, fast, and the verb, appreciate. Now, let's move on to the common mistakes with the use of really. The main issue is usually incorrect positioning. Error 1. Placing really at the end of the sentence. Incorrect. She is talented. Really. Correct. She is really talented. In English, we don't usually put really at the end of a sentence to emphasize an adjective. Instead, it should come just before the word it's emphasizing. Error 2. Splitting verb phrases with really. Incorrect. We have really to appreciate his help. Correct. We really have to appreciate his help. Really should not split verb phrases. Instead, it should be placed before the whole verb phrase. Remember, really should be placed directly before the word it modifies. This rule is applicable whether it's modifying an adjective, a verb, or an entire verb phrase. Here are more examples. 1. Correct. It's really important to practice English daily. 2. Incorrect. It's important really to practice English daily. 3. Correct. He's really going fast. 4. Incorrect. He's going really fast. In the first incorrect example, really incorrectly splits the verb phrase to practice. In the second, really is incorrectly placed after the verb going. So, that's it, folks. Remember, the correct placement of really can really make a difference in your English. We hope this video has been helpful, and we look forward to helping you continue your English learning journey. Stay tuned for more English grammar fundamentals, and keep practicing.